Good day everyone, I'm Rod Ezequiel C. Barabas, the President of the Tanyong Consumer Cooperative here in Barangay Tanyong, Malabon City. We established this cooperative to help our residents have access to affordable goods and additional livelihood opportunities. The Tanyong Consumer Cooperative, founded in 2025, is a consumer cooperative that aims to provide basic necessities such as rice and grocery items. Our mission is to help every family in Tanyong. Our vision is to become a model cooperative in Malabon that gives hope to the community. We aim to support the people of Barangay Tanyong by providing rice, canned goods like sardines, and clean water for the daily needs. We will also offer discounted groceries, a rice program, and member benefits. Through this, we can make life in our barangay easier and more affordable. So to all our fellow residents, we invite you to join the Tanyong Consumer Cooperative. Together, let us improve and uplift our community. I am Rod Ezequiel C. Barabas, reminding everyone, through cooperation, progress is certain. Thank you very much.